want you. We want you to join our game and help it spread. We're going to be on MetaQuest Store soon enough. So, don't be barging down our door.
Whoa, this hallway looks scary.
Yeah, you should probably go first.
Yeah, that's nothing. It just looks like the back rooms.
Yo, can I do something?
Ah! And there's nothing, come on.
Race you. Woke up in my little Bugatti. Tag.
There's nothing
I got you.
here. Let's just go. I'm gonna go over here. Hello?
I woke
Anybody
up
here?
in my new Bugatti.
Wah! Ah! What was that? Oh my god. It's coming! It's coming! Wah!
Yo, what
What
the
is
hell
this?
is this, bro?
Only up.
Only up. I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit, bro. Wait, you know what? Last one to the top gets 5,000 bananas.
No,
First
I
one
want
to
the
the top gets
bananas.
5,000
I
bananas.
want bananas.
Nah, I got it. Hey,
What are you
stay right
doing?
there.
Ah!
Do that.
Okay. Huh. We should go check down there.
Nah, I wanna stay with my tree.
Well, I'm going, so
Nah, if you can, I go.
you're gonna be left there with Monkey. Zero gravity.
Zero gravity? Oh, hell nah. I've always wanted to go to the top of the tree.
Wait, we should slide down. We should slide down. But I woke up in my new Bugatti.
Skirt, skirt. I woke up. Oh, wait. I woke up in my new Bugatti.
Whoa,
Skirt,
whoa.
skirt.
Ah! What are these things? Crystals.
Help.
Okay.
Where'd you go? I'm gonna get you.
Ah!
Leader, monkey whore.
Hello,
If
who are
you're
you?
going in with this monkey. If you're going in with this monkey, you are going to need to get the key to escape. Otherwise, he'll eat you and pull your guts out. You're a sacrifice. I got you, little Timmy. I got you.
No.
Come on, come on.
There's nothing here.
Bye-bye.
It's kind of scary in here. I kind of want that monkey with me. Ah! Ah!
Don't do
You've been a
this.
very bad monkey. So now I'm going to report you.
See what he just did there? That is very bad. You cannot spam report. You get banned if you spam report.
Hey, you guys, you can play this game at any age, any and all, but it has to be above the age limit of 7, okay? You may think that's harsh, but there are some weird people that can join, and you cannot be the age over 30.
If they're bad monkey, you report the monkey.
You report. Yeah, and if someone joins the lobby with that they're saying a moderator and they're not a moderator or an admin or an owner, do not believe them to do anything at all, okay? But the only way you can tell is they'll have a name tag right above the name. See my name here? It'll be right up there. It'll say moderator, or if you're an admin, it'll say that, or beta tester.
So if a monkey is being bad, you could mute them. You could report them.
But if you just mute them, then they can't cause any more harm to you, and then you just go along with your monkey day.
Okay.
So that's it. Have a great
Bye.
time, and we'd like to see you in our game. Bye.
Coming out tomorrow. Join Discord and buy.